your exam?
It's very easy.
Give me your exam! Out! Out! You're copy with your BlackBerry! Wow! Wow!
Francisco Javier Iracheta Fernández in a matter of ethics.
Ethics means to act according to your own freedom and to take responsibility for all your actions. Well, an ethical student is the one who, as I said before, takes responsibility for all his actions or her actions, and also takes seriously some normativities in regarding his or her function as a student. For example, an ethical student never will cheat or do anything wrong in his studies or her studies. Meanwhile, a student, a non-ethical student will be the one who cheats or do whatever to have a good grade, but in an unethical act. The benefits of being ethical is the action in itself. It's conscious that you are doing the right thing, and probably you have a benefit afterwards, but the motive for do things right, ethically speaking, is the action in itself. Take ethical classes with me, and also to engage in the thought that without ethics our society will be constantly poor and poor.
For you, what is an ethical student?
An ethical student for me is someone who always, who always quotes his or her homeworks, who doesn't cheat on exams, who thinks about how to improve the society, you know, who's always looking for an answer in order to help others and to help the society as it is.